I'm going to show you how to create this stationery, simple stationery within Word. So we're going to start from your desktop, and the first thing you're going to do, of course, is open Word. It's still open. We're going to create a new blank document. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to insert a table. I'm just going to grab this table, and you're going to remove the borders. I just remove all the borders in the table first so that you can um, you can just add what you want. So then you're going to add top, bottom, and the in-between border. Then you just add the number of lines that you want. I'm doing this very manually. You can copy and paste if that's what you want to do, but you might not want lines and everything. So actually, I'm gonna move a couple. So then the next thing you're going to do is add your illustrations. And so you go to Insert and then the Icon tab, and then you want to select Illustrations. You can they added a number of different types of illustrations here. If you notice, they have different topics up here that you can select. I actually put in the topic spring because I want to have a spring type look. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a couple of icons. Actually, I'm gonna grab this bird too. Notice they all became really big and they're all on the screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring it forward. So you select it, and what this does is it places the illustration over top of the text, which is what you want. And they're all pretty big. So then you make them smaller. So I'll make this smaller and put him here. And I'll make this smaller. I'm going to put that here for now, and then I'm going to make sure I bring this one to the front. Oh, it disappeared. Actually, I think I don't want that because I don't. Oh, there it goes. I don't think I want three on this page. I think I want to, unless maybe I move it like this. I'm like, oh, I'm awarding the flowers. But no, I think I'm going to remove that. And I think I'm going to put this little bird up here. Actually, I'm going to leave this little birdie down here. And I'm going to put these flowers on the bottom. Actually, I'm going to put the flowers at the top. Actually, I don't think I like this illustration. I think I want a different one. I'm going to go back and grab another one. Spring. Oop, illustration. Spring. And I want this one. So I'm going to do the same thing. Put it to the top, put it in front, move it over. So now I want to change the color of this illustration. So I can do one separately or grab both of them and then select what the fill is going to be. I already selected my colors, which is this nice blue. But you know, I might want to have this a different color, so you can do that. You can also do them separately if that's what you desire. But for now, I'm going to leave it the same color. So then I like to put scriptures in mine, or if you want to have any kind of text you want to put at the bottom of your or at the top wherever you so desire, because you see it's moving it around. I actually want to move this back to the front also, and I'm going to put this down here. So move that here. I'm going to add my scripture, 1 Peter 5 verse 7. I think it's a very beautiful scripture because we are all going through different struggles. And let's put that First Peter 5 verse 7. And I'm going to change the font. So you can select it like this, or you can hit something called Control A, which will select all the text in here. And then we're going to change the font, or I think Command A. I'm not sure on the Mac, but let's see here. Let's use this font, and I'm going to take the shape outline because I don't like the shape outline. I'm going to take that off and select no outline, but I am going to fill it with color, and I'm going to fill it with the same blue, and that's a little too dark, so I want to make it lighter. So I'm going to move that over like this. This is when you go into your colors, there's a section called transparency, and so you can change um, how light or dark a color may be by changing the transparency. Hit transparency. It looks a little darker, still in the same realm, but a little darker, a little lighter, I should say. So then I'm going to move this to the middle, like so. And then I'm actually going to change this also to, I'll leave it black for now. Or actually, I'm going to change it to a gray to match the little bird. Okay, so there you go. So there is the font. And I know I changed it up a little bit from how my example was, but sometimes you have a creative change in the middle of a project. So hopefully you're able to benefit from it.